This is a 4-part video series that offers a general guide for writing a successful grant application and hopefully provides your organization with the tools to be more equipped for applying for and receiving future grant opportunities. In this video, we cover grant opportunities, which is the final section, which is part 4 of the 4-part series. Starting with the local level, organizations that often have opportunities include the Niagara Community Foundation, United Way Niagara, as well as the great opportunities that we have available at the Niagara region. Become familiar with their websites and subscribe to the mailing lists if they offer that service, so you can become aware of local grant opportunities as soon as they are made public. At the provincial level, there is lots of opportunities, including through various Ontario government funding programs, the Ontario Not-for-Profit Network Resource Centre, and the Ontario Trillium Foundation, to name a few. Finally, at the federal level, the Government of Canada website is consistently updating their opportunities, and the website Charity Village is a great resource for opportunities across all 3 of the local, provincial, and federal levels. Charity Village also has a grant writing do's and don'ts section, so the resource goes beyond financial opportunities. This is not an extensive list of the opportunities that are available, but just a few examples to provide an idea of what is available. Be aware that the time frame for grant applications is often limited, as grant opportunities are often missed by organizations as the application deadline closes without them being aware of the opportunity. For example, the United Way Healthy People Strong Communities grant is an example of a previous opportunity that has now closed. The grant portal for this opportunity opened on January 2nd, and the eligibility form and letter of intent were due on January 23rd. This is just one example, but it is why you should be monitoring grants as often as you can and utilize services such as listserv notifications while monitoring grants that are also on a cycle. Just as a couple tips for those grants that have tight application windows. Finally, we just wanted to acknowledge and thank the members from our community services team who contributed to making this presentation, who are listed here, and wanted to thank you who took the time to watch. This concludes the series for writing a successful grant application. If you need this information in another format, please call the Niagara region at 905-980-6000. For more information, please visit niagararegion.ca.